we concentrate and understand the work of the soul and the transition to a new dimension. We're giving you the tools to do it, and every other discussion which we see in the background, how many twists, what color, what measure, one cup, this is all irrelevant to where we are. We are looking at this is what I've been telling for weeks to knowledge seekers. Look at the fields your system make and what interaction you make with it. Many people I've seen, they say, oh, we made a cup one and it worked for 2 days or 2 weeks, and then you stopped, or the day I made the second cup, the first cup has stopped. You got to understand, these cups are, and within them, there's a cycle of life. There's a soul.
Yes, I understand.
So the interaction with your soul, they decide you need it or not.